How would your business change if you could trust digital agents, powered entirely by AI, to make critical decisions? Decisions like unlocking sensitive files, moving capital, or even hiring people, without ever worrying about security breaches or identity theft? Well, that future is coming, and the person betting big on it is Todd McKinnon, the CEO and co-founder of Okta. This is about more than just logins, it's about the very foundation of trust in the AI era. If that name sounds familiar, it's because Okta is the digital bouncer for almost every enterprise tool you use, securing billions of logins every single month. You likely interact with Okta multiple times a day just to get to your email or meetings, but Todd McKinnon knows the next frontier isn't just human, it's machine. What happens when it's not a person logging in, but an autonomous AI agent? How do you verify the identity of a bot that doesn't have a fingerprint or a face? This is the challenge of machine-to-machine identity, or M2M. Today we're breaking down why this is the most important security problem of the next decade. Before we dive into the technical details, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. We're decoding the future of AI strategy every week, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Okta is the backbone for thousands of organizations, from banks to hospitals. In these environments, identity isn't just a feature, it's the only perimeter that matters. We are moving from a world of network-first security, where we guard the building, to identity-first security, where we guard the entity, regardless of where it is. This shift is urgent. 85% of breaches today already trace back to identity systems. With AI agents, that attack surface is about to explode. Until now, identity providers like Okta and their acquisition, Author0, have focused on verifying humans. We've mastered the art of knowing it's really you behind the keyboard. But generative AI has changed the math. Machines are now acting as agents. They aren't just tools, they are proxies for our intent, taking actions autonomously. These agents are applying for loans, negotiating contracts, and even managing cloud infrastructure. They are making high-stakes financial and operational moves on your behalf. This creates an immediate identity crisis. If an AI can do everything a human can, how do you prove it's yours AI and not a sophisticated impersonation? Our existing tools, fingerprints and passwords, don't apply to a cloud-based LLM. We need a new set of rules for the age of autonomous machines. Because agents can talk to other agents, the chains of trust become exponentially more complex. One human authorizes an agent, which then authorizes 10 other sub-agents. Todd McKinnon's vision is a system that tracks this entire chain of delegation. It's about knowing not just what was done, but who originally gave the permission to start the sequence. This is where the digital audit trail becomes vital. Okta wants to create a forensic-level log of every decision an AI makes, creating absolute transparency for every automated action. Transparency is the only way to build trust. If you can't audit why an AI rejected a loan or hired a candidate, you can't legally or ethically deploy it at scale. To achieve this, Okta is fundamentally rethinking its architecture. They are moving beyond simple sessions to a dynamic system of claims. Think of claims as digital cryptographic statements. One might say, this agent is allowed to spend up to $5,000, while another says this agent can only access non-sensitive documents. AI agents will generate millions of these claims every second. Humans can't keep up with that volume, so the identity system itself has to become automated and intelligent. Let's look at a practical example. An HR bot screens 1,000 resumes. It identifies the top 5 candidates, but to schedule an interview, it needs to talk to the calendar system. The calendar system doesn't trust the bot by default. It asks, who are you and who authorized you to book this executive's time? The Okta backbone provides the cryptographic proof instantly. And because of that audit trail, we can verify if the bot was fair. Did it follow the company's unbiased hiring protocols? Identity provides the proof of compliance. Now imagine B2B negotiations. Your procurement bot talks to a vendor's sales bot. Without a gold standard for identity, hackers could insert their own man-in-the-middle bot to steal data. Okta wants to be that gold standard, the universal trust layer where every automated entity, regardless of the vendor, can be instantly and securely verified. This brings us to a critical new point: governance. Regulators are already looking at AI. If an agent performs a regulated financial trade, who is responsible? You need an identity trail for legal accountability. Identity closes the accountability gap. It links the machine action back to a human owner, ensuring that your organization remains compliant with SOX, GDPR, and emerging AI laws. Another key element is the human-in-the-loop threshold. Identity systems will soon trigger step-up authentication for agents when they attempt high-risk actions. If your AI agent tries to transfer $100,000, Okta can pause the agent and send a biometric push notification to your phone to verify the intent. It's the ultimate safeguard. The stakes here are massive. History shows us that every technological shift, like the transition to the cloud, is immediately targeted by criminals looking for any crack in the armor. If we don't secure our agents now, we risk a new wave of massive breaches, deep fake impersonations, and automated fraud that moves at the speed of light. But if we get this right, we unlock the true potential of AI. businesses can innovate with confidence, knowing their digital agents are secured by the same rigor as their human employees. For leaders and technologists, the message is clear. Identity is the bedrock of the AI economy. You cannot have trustworthy AI without a trustworthy identity solution. If you're looking to secure your AI transformation or need help building these identity frameworks, click the link below to book a consultation with our team. Watch the related video in the corner. It's time for leaders to build a smarter, safer, and more automated future together. This conversation continues in the next video.